Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. Is it worth to spend this much amount of money on this phone just for the battery sake alone? So many users, they are having a little bit kind of confusion whether to buy this phone or not. So in this video, I'll be giving you the quick clarity regarding this thing, whether to buy the phone and what are the reasons to consider buying this device, and what are the things does make justification for the price which is offered close to 25,000. So for this kind of 25,000, you can easily get the Snapdragon 855 processor, and sometimes even when there is any offers going on, you can get the 855 plus processor as well in the Realme X2 Pro. So let's see, for this kind of 25,000 rupees, you are getting what processor and what is everything I'll be talking in this video. So the first main thing of this phone is the battery. So 7000 mAh battery is a huge battery, definitely friends, and you may think the phone may look a little bit kind of heavy, but thanks to the Samsung, they are very good in terms of optimizing the weight. The phone weight is close to 213 grams. So 213 grams may sound more, but nowadays even the few of the phones which has 4000 mAh of battery, they do have that kind of weight. So seriously, for the weight, there is no reason at all not buying this one. So 7000 mAh of battery is very good, and for me, if you ask me whether I will spend the money on this phone or not, then definitely I would highly spend the money. The reason first is that my usage is mainly regarding the productivity and a few entertainment apps as well. I'm not into that gaming, so I don't care about the processor and not having higher refresh rate. So I just need the bigger display and the better battery backup. So those are my two needs. So I'm ready to spend the 25,000. So if you want the fast charging, then you will be very disappointing. This has got only 25 watt fast charging. So for me, it doesn't concern much because I'm into the more of battery backup rather than having the fast charging. So for some users, it's a different case. So some users, they do want the fast charging, like 65 watt fast charging can get within less price in this phone, and some users want the more battery capacity. So it's up to you to decide which kind of thing you want. For example, it's like comparing AMOLED phone 60 Hz versus the IPS LCD panel with the 120 Hz. So now you need to decide which panel you want to use. Exactly same thing is going on here. If you want bigger battery, here you'll be sacrificing the charging speed. So if you want charging speed more in the Realme 7 Pro, there you will be sacrificing the battery mAh. So now it's up to you to decide, friends, what type of usage you are. And if you're kind of person who goes to the home every day evening, then definitely you can buy the other smartphones which are having fast charging. If you're a kind of person who is traveling a lot, so you will be out of home or out of power output and everything for 2 days or 1.5 day, then you can buy this kind of mobile phone. If you are a frequent traveler, I would highly suggest you to buy this phone. If you're a normal person who will be definitely returning to the home at the end of the day, then you don't need this much of 7000 battery in your mobile phone. So this is another thing regarding the processor. Seriously, 730G is not that good for this kind of price range. We can easily get the 730G close to 15,000 during some offers going on, but 25,000 I do feel not good for this kind of processor. So you can easily get the Redmi K20 Pro below this price, 855 and 855 plus processor as well. So in terms of the performance, at this price doesn't do any kind of justification alone. So in terms of the display is of 6.7 inches of display, so which has Super AMOLED panel plus display, so that's also a good advantage. We do see the Samsung mobile phones even in the 13,000 segment as well, which has a Super AMOLED panels and a pretty good battery capacity as well. So out of that is one of the phone which is a Samsung Galaxy M21, which I would also recommend to buy if you want a bigger battery. This is another option which you got below 10,000 rupees alone. So as you can see, which is a very good deal for this mobile phone, which has 6000 mAh of battery, and this phone weight is only 188 grams. So that's incredible, friends. For 6000 mAh of battery, you are getting a very less weight in this phone in the Samsung M21. So this is another alternate option you got for this kind of price. But if you ask me the price is good or not, for my kind of usage, I would definitely buy this mobile. So different people has different kind of using their mobile phone. Some like gaming, some like watching movies, entertainment, Netflix, YouTube. So if you are kind of entertainment purpose, then definitely this phone will be the best option, because you got bigger display and bigger battery and beautiful looking display. So that's all you need for the entertainment purpose. So if you're a gamer, you need higher refresh rate and better processor for long time usage. So depending on your needs, you can decide, friends, whether to buy or not this mobile phone. For gamers, I can say no, and for normal users to medium kind of users, then definitely yes for this mobile phone. The reason only for the gamers no, because of not having higher refresh rate. If you are okay with the 60 Hz, then definitely this is a very good mobile phone for the gamers as well. You can get very long time hours continuous gaming with this mobile phone. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, SciTech Guru, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.